All right. Listen to this. Yo, people, listen to this. I want to tell you about something that is brand new. It's something that no one else has heard. It's something that I was told by a little bird. It came, whispered in my ear. I was sitting on the couch drinking some beer. I was sitting by my homeboy Chris right here. He was also drinking some beer. It was quick, it was fast. He told me like this. He said, Dustin, I got to tell you this. One time, I was on the street. I was a little bird doing the beat. I was dancing real fast and I was moving my feet. And you could see, yes, you could see. I opened up my eyes and I opened up my wing and I flew away. I flew over the city, looked down. I saw the ground. It was beautiful. There was trees. Damn, there's bumblebees. There's a bunch of animals. There's a bunch of stuff. But I ain't got no nuts. The bird realized he was sick, cause he didn't have a dick. Birdless dick. It's a dickless bird. Birdless, it's a birdless dick. No, it's a dickless bird. The dickless bird got on the tip. Didn't even have a tip. That's sad. That's very wrong. Damn, it's a fucked up song. Dickless bird, what you doing? Dickless bird, always pursuing, always trying to get to your house. Dickless bird will turn you out. He doesn't give a fuck, he'll fly in your window. Don't think that he won't go in though. He never come in the house, he always just stays out. He's a dickless bird, he's real different. Don't think that he will see it then, cause he is always gonna win. He's a dickless bird. Talk about him anymore, you see. We're gonna talk about my cat, yeah. Chris hates the cat. He said it stinks. They're always shitting like that. Said, dude, just clean out the litter box. Man, just put on some socks. He said, Dustin, the floor's real dirty. Dude, you look fucking nerdy. Take those glasses off. Put back on your contact. Dude, don't look like your dad. Look like a guy, just look like me. Then you'll get pussy. He taught me well, cause the next night I had 3 girls over and I had sex with them. It was a 3-way felony. I was committing a felony with the dickless bird watching through my window. The dickless bird outside smoking endo. Dickless bird was high. I don't know why. Dickless bird is crazy. The dickless bird is lazy. He still watches me at night. It's a freaking fright. I'm so scared of that shooting bird. Fuck, that damn bird. I didn't want to cuss. I just want to end it with get on my nuts. Get on my nuts. Get on my nuts. I'm not a dickless bird. I thought you heard. But he watching us outside the window. He'll always be there, he'll be smoking endo. One day we'll get rid of him, but tonight it's just me and him. It's my dickless bird. Don't hate on it. There's a lot of dickless birds out there in the world, always trying to come up, always trying to do their thing, sitting out watching through the window. They're fucking dickless birds. Don't even mess with them. There's a bunch of them. You know one, I know one. There's plenty, you see. Just get those dickless birds away from me, man. Bring it back. Dickless birds, they're whack. Song over.